have so many people right now stuck at the junction of I-70 and 75 North.
With all the rain connected to it, that tornado may very well be rain wrapped back there.
We have, looks like several 100-mile-per-hour winds. This thing's off the charts. North of 24, Lawrence, take shelter. Lecompton, take shelter now. Get underground. So I was chasing the storm that just hit Westmoreland. I was heading north for the intercept, and then this happened. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning just to my west, and now I had to figure out where the hell I was going to go. Okay, we got to find a better spot here. Tornado warning, Topeka. Okay, I'm abandoning ship, guys. We're going southbound. Forget this. I'm going south. All of Topeka is in a tornado warning right now. We have major rotation. Moving southeast. God, I don't like this. But the problem we have right now is these two cells, this tornadic cell over Topeka and this cell just to the north that I was trying to punch the core for. This cell's tail shaft just crossed the highway, so I can't go north. There's a tiny little gap between the two storms, so if the rain shafts merge, I won't be able to see either tornado. So I'm heading south, and we're going to come up with a plan B. Right now, it looks like tornado is tracking southeast, potentially, towards Topeka. You got major rotation over by Grove. To me, it still looks like it's going to, it'll either hit Topeka or just go north of Topeka. I'm not sure which yet. Shit. All right, I think if we exit where the Loves is at, I'm pretty sure there's some pull-offs where we can get at least some sort of visual. Oh, wow. Major updraft. That's what I'm talking about, right there. Certainly updraft, rapid motion, real time. Possible tornado. I just can't see past the trees. It is kind of moving southeast though. I don't want to be in its path. Normally tornadoes and these storms move east or northeast, not southeast. That's how you get yourself killed chasing. The El Reno tornado shifted southeast and killed those chasers years ago. I'm gonna draw the tornado line and find out. I'm gonna make a prediction where this tornado is going. Okay, if I was to make a prediction, you're looking at Topeka here. I'm looking at it coming right for the junction right now. Look at the Doppler. Look at that rotation. I think it's on the ground. Wonder if there's a staging area west of town where we can get a visual. I think this thing's gonna hit right here at the junction of 75 and I-70. That would be my prediction. That being the case, And because being in its path is going to obscure its view, we're going to go westbound, I-70 up ahead. We're going to go south and then west. And then we're going to try to watch as it approaches town. Being that this thing is so large, I think we run a big risk trying to sit here. My goal right now is to get a visual on the rotation center and then also be in a position to respond on the back side of this if it starts taking things out on the west end of Topeka. We're not even going to play with this. We're going to go west. See if we can't get a visual up to the north. Very strong rotation over Silver Lake right now. Tornado sirens are roaring on the west side of Topeka, 4 West, 353. There you go. We've got a bunch of scary looking clouds. Okay, I'm gonna look for a spot to pull over here. I'm gonna go ahead and initiate our lights. We're gonna pull over right here for right now. There you go. We have rapid motion in front of us. Rapid motion upward into the cloud. You see those clouds there? They're going up. I can't tell what's back there. We have an inlet. They call that a beaver's tail right there. Beaver's tail stretching out. That's air going up into that, which is probably the main wall cloud over there in that dark area to the right, the end of that tail. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to get an update on this rotation area. Our exit strategies currently is 4 West takes us south and back to the west. We can dive south and west if we need to. We can jump back on the highway as well. So we have several exit strategies from right here. Look at this thing. It does look like it's sinking further south. Yeah, it is. It is tracking south. Let me see if I have any updates for you on this. We do have a tornado report. Report of a funnel cloud according to the fire department. This is going to be just northwest of Silver Lake. We are looking at Silver Lake right now, looking northwest. There you go.
It is a possibility that we either have a developing tornado or possibly the possibility is there that we have a tornado and we just can't see it through the rain portion of that storm, but we certainly have a very intense long cloud formation.
I'm gonna catch 470 southbound. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna take 470 on the south end because we have a traffic back. I feel sorry for the people. I hope there's not a tornado on the ground because we have so many people right now stuck at the junction of I-70 and 75 North. So it's honestly, storm chasing is a tough job. You have to think about so many things at the same time. Traffic, hazards, exit strategy. Where's this thing going? What's the relative velocity showing? Is it going to shift track? Historically, what do supercells do? Like, you just have to constantly be thinking, watching, moving. It's a lot to take in. You really have to be on your game, or you could really get yourself hurt out here. I've got blue off charts, which is showing, and red, which is showing winds crossing at the surface level over 100 miles per hour. The signature is just northeast. This looks like a long 24 highway. Yeah. We've got upwards of 100 mile per hour winds, 100 mile per hour winds right now, 100 plus, opposite directions. Right now it looks like it's just south on 24 north of Topeka. I-70, just to the north of I-70, between I-70 and 24, just west, east, just east of the Loves. The last signature I saw to this level, we're talking that town that was destroyed in Oklahoma. So seriously, guys, if you're out in this area, take shelter immediately. We need to get out there.
Already saw that Westmoreland tornado that did damage. He did report perhaps a brief touchdown near the Topeka area.
Big time tornado! Very powerful, here it comes! Big tornado on the ground, folks!
And also of note, because of the way the cell is set up, with all the rain connected to it, that tornado may very well be rain wrapped back there.
I have a great visual. This thing is just a wall of black going down to the ground. Looks like what I saw in Iowa recently when we had that giant tornado, SoFi, turned into a giant wedge tornado on the ground. We've got the service area just up to the right. We're getting ahead of it. We're only going to be within maybe 4 miles of where this tornado potentially is on the ground. Coming back. We're gonna have to get on the highway. It looks like something may be on the ground from here. Intense rotation. Coming back. Okay, we now have strong rotation. Just west of Lecompton, south of 24. It is right where you're looking, guys. Very intense rotation. Okay, we're eastbound, north 1800 road, coming up out of Lecompton, headed for Lawrence. Okay, we have, looks like several 100-mile-per-hour winds. This thing's off the charts right now on Doppler. North of 24, just east of Perry, just east of Lecompton. It is right up there. Hundreds of miles per hour. I would guarantee you, I would bet my life savings it's on the ground right now. Lawrence, take shelter. Perry, take shelter. If you're anywhere close to Lawrence, Lecompton, take shelter now. Get underground. This thing appears to be rain wrapped. I see a massive rain up here. Okay, we're gonna stop at 1000 Street. F is in Frank, 1000 near North 1800 Road. We're looking back to the north right now. See if we can get a visual on anything. See what I mean? We have a massive rain. It is right up in there. It's just to our north. Heavy rotation. It's off the charts. I gotta show this to you. It's off the charts. Off the charts rotation right there. We're right here. We're looking at it. It's got to be rain wrapped. Has to be rain wrapped. I'm telling you, we're not more than 2 miles from this. Oh, can you see that? Do you see it? What's that? Okay. We're going to turn eastbound North 1800 Road. Eastbound North 1800 approaching Lawrence. Potential tornado on the ground, possibly large, approaching Lawrence very quickly. Between Perry, Lecompton, 24 Highway. East-southeast movement. East-southeast movement. God, where the hell is this thing? Yeah, circulation shifted east. should be like right here. Like no joke. I'm wondering if it's in that rain.